How's it going, everyone? Marlon here with Maverick Helicopters, and we're here at Grand Canyon West visiting a few of the iconic sites and also sharing a few of our tricks, tips, and techniques on taking amazing photos and video straight from your smartphone. But before we do that, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel. It'll help you get more information about Maverick Helicopters, Las Vegas, Hawaii, and the Grand Canyon. All right, get your cameras ready. Let's roll. So we're currently at Eagle Point, one of the famous iconic spots here at Grand Canyon West. One cool fact about Eagle Point is there's a eagle-shaped rock formed in the canyon itself. Let's talk ratios. So aspect ratios are the dimensions of a photo or video, and they depict whether or not your photo is going to be more square or rectangular. Usually smartphones have a 4:3 ratio, but you can switch that ratio to 16:9. This will enable you to have a wider range for you to capture and more in your picture overall. Either vertical or horizontal, it'll enable you to capture more of the canyon itself. All right, so now we're on our way to Eagle Point's Native American village. One cool thing about the Native American village, it has tons of Native American structures, including sweat lodges and housing that you can walk into and explore. One photo tip or idea that I have for you guys here is to do some video. Go ahead and do some slow-mo. You can also do time lapses in your phone as well, which is an awesome feature I would heavily suggest for you to do. Let's talk about slow motion. By slowing down your footage, it'll enable you to have a smoother video. By switching over to your slow motion tab and choosing between slow motion in 120 frames per second or super slow motion in 240 frames per second, your footage will turn out to be a lot smoother. This is especially the case when you're in motion or you're in a moving helicopter, for example. All right, so we just got to Guano Point, and one of the best spots for me, right when you get to Guano Point, right when you leave your shuttle, you can head directly straight to the rim, and you get one of the best views of the Colorado River. Let's go there right now. If you're planning to take photo or video in this section, one tip I have for you is to play with your zoom in features. This section of the canyon has so much color and texture. By zooming in and out, you'll capture more of the canyon's details. And it's an awesome opportunity to capture the vastness of the canyon from the rim. Guano Point is one of my favorite parts of the canyon, so if you need more information about the surrounding area and its vantage points, make sure to visit our video on Guano Point linked here. So there's one smartphone feature that I would highly recommend you have on at all times, and that's the live function. The live feature is a function on your smartphone that records 1.5 seconds before and after you take a shot. This function is great if someone blinks in your photo or you miss a once-in-a-lifetime photo opportunity. On your phone, locate a photo that had the live feature on during recording. You can scrub through the photo to find the best frame that captured the moment. So we're at the base of the Grand Canyon. One thing I would heavily suggest if you get down to the base of the Grand Canyon is to shoot some panoramic shots. Going into your photo settings and switching to panoramic mode, you can get wide shots of the base of the canyon. These are great if you're trying to highlight all of the surrounding area. And since you can only get to the base by helicopter, I would suggest playing with this feature for some epic shots of the canyon. So there you have it, folks. A few of our tricks, tips, and techniques on taking awesome photos and videos from your smartphone here at Grand Canyon West. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. And also, like and subscribe to the channel. It'll help you get more information about Maverick Helicopters, Las Vegas, Hawaii, and the Grand Canyon. We'll see you guys in the next one.